The sum rule is one of the simplest ideas in combinatorics, but also a very powerful one. It answers this question: if a task can be done in one of several different ways, how many total options are there? The rule is, if one option gives m outcomes and a different non-overlapping option gives n outcomes, then the total number is m plus n. But let's explore what non-overlapping options means. Starting simple, suppose a password can be either 4 digits long or 6 digits long. There are 10,000 4-digit passwords and there are 1 million 6-digit passwords. Now think about this. Can a password be 4 digits long and also 6 digits long? No. If we have the set of all 4-digit passwords and the set of all 6-digit passwords, which actually should be bigger, right? We can say that they are disjoint sets. They do not overlap. So we can say that the total number of passwords is 10,000 plus 1 million, which is 1,010,000. So this is the sum rule. You count each case separately, and as long as the cases don't overlap, you add them. Here's another example. A club has 12 student members and 8 faculty members. How many ways can you choose one representative if it can be either a student or a faculty member? So you have the set of 12 student members and you have the disjoint set of 8 faculty members, meaning a member cannot be a student member and a faculty member at the same time. These do not overlap. So we count the ways we can choose a student member. We have 12 of them, so we have 12 ways of choosing one. We count the ways of choosing a faculty member, which is 8, and we add them. So we have 20 options. That's the heart of the sum rule. You're choosing from one group or another, not both at once. If the sets are disjoint, just add.